Hi, this is Leanna from So Let's Quilt It. I'm here to talk to you about friction pens versus the Dritz quilting heat erase marking pens. There is a bit of a difference. We all were so excited to find out about friction pens once everybody was talking about it at the beginning. Oh, it's so great, it heat erases. But these are really not made for fabric. They're made for paper. So they don't ever wash out of your fabrics. That's the bad thing. That's the drawback. So you would definitely never want to use something like a friction pen to mark your quilting lines, because while they do heat erase, in the cold you'll see those lines come back up because that ink stays in there forever. So we're gonna put that aside. So Dritz has come out with something called heat erase marking pens, which is the same idea. It's really nice because they offer a 5-pack. So you get white, kind of a reddish orange, green, blue, and I believe that's a charcoal or black. So I'm going to show you today. I'm using the blue because I've got a white fabric here. So, and we're not really doing anything with fabric, so I'll just, draw a line. Well, I didn't press hard enough. You kind of have to go back and forth just a little bit, just like the friction pens. So it's actually a really, really strong line. So you can make all kinds of lines. And then you can feel good about knowing that this will wash out of your quilt once you wash your quilt. The ink doesn't stay permanently in your fabric, so that's why they're great. So, and the white one actually shows up really well. So we'll do we kind of did some test scribbles. So we'll do a little line and then pull it away. So you'll notice that it kind of looks a little lighter and then it starts to get a little darker, and I think I didn't really press very well there, so do that again, because you do kind of have to apply a little pressure just like all of your marking pens. So, and it's really hard to see, but it gets wider and wider, because when we did these initial marks, they were very light, and then they kind of lightened up. So, while I'm saying that, while we're sitting here waiting, they're taking a little bit. There we go. I think I wasn't pressing hard enough the first times. Yeah. There they go. Okay. So they really work great. And they're much safer than the friction pen. So we suggest that you don't use those anymore and you pick up the Dritz heat erase marking pens, and we have those here. And if you look in the comments after the video, we're going to put a link to these so that way you can find them on our website. So thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video.